Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
I thought of why not make a Valentine's Day outfit video using only one pair of jeans. So this idea just came about during my shower thought session. During our shower, we keep on thinking a lot of stuff, and I was like, whoa, that's a genius. We don't need the fancy dresses for this year's 14th of February, but instead we're gonna tone it down a little so that our conservative fellows and our conservative girls out there will also join in the club. So the plan for this video is that I'm gonna wear this jeans and I'm gonna style it with everything in my closet. There, this is the only thing I'm gonna wear for my bottoms, and we're gonna get creative here, you know. Pro tip: wear jewelries even when you're only wearing sweats. It's gonna look 101% better. For this outfit, I am wearing a black corset I stole from my mom's closet, and I struggled trying this on because it's tight. It's really tight. This outfit looks simple, but the way the corset and the jeans hugs my body accentuates my curves. You get me? This is really perfect for your date night if you want to show off your curves to your guy. If you need a more conservative outfit for your getting to know stage, you can throw on an oversized jacket and perhaps show a bit of your shoulders to seduce your guy. I am using this LV bag that I stole again from my mom's bag collection. For the shoes, I am thinking a good pair of heels will go together well with this. For this next outfit, I am wearing this green camisole top that I shimmered into my bra to make it look like a bralette. I only thrifted this somewhere and the material is really of high quality. This outfit is for you if you want to be more bold yet girly vibes because of the lace details of the top. I paired the outfit with my Prada bag to add a pop of dark color to the outfit. For this next outfit, I am wearing this nude basic top for a casual look. If you're in the stage of getting comfortable with a guy and you care less now of what you're wearing, then this is it. This is for you. If you want to fancy it up a little bit, then I am throwing on this brown jacket to add more layer and texture to the fit. The pattern on this jacket spices up the outfit since it is consisting of plain colors. I am using the LV bag to color coordinate it with the brown tones. For this next outfit, I am wearing a bright colored top, pink top to add a pop of color to the outfit. If you want to go with a Y2K vibe that is really trendy right now, then this is for you. I bought this top on Shopee. It was really cheap. This outfit will probably make you stand out because of the color. Maybe you can wear this when you want to charm some guy in the airport that you will never see again in your life. For the next outfit, I am wearing this brown bralette. This is an outfit for you if you want to be a little bolder and radiate that hot girl energy. This is also perfect if the weather for the day of your date is quite sunny or giving off that summer vibes.
You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down.
If you want it more conservative, you can throw on some jacket. I'm throwing on a black bubble jacket to add more silhouette to the look and more texture.
Under her disguise, yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her.
Next up, we have this green top that I never wore and has been rotting deep in my closet. This is a more conservative wear but still giving off the girly vibes because it really hugs your body together with the pants.
Must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature.
For the next look, I am wearing this red dress that I use as a top. I shimmied it into my pants and it worked quite well. Red is a classic for date nights, so if you want red, then go for this. Pro tip, you can use your dresses as tops. Just make sure to tuck it really in for a seamless look.
Sleeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll.
Next is this all-white outfit. If you want to give an impression of pure and kind woman vibes in your dating stage, but it's actually a wild side that is yet to be unleashed. I am pairing it with the black Prada bag because they are contrasting colors and I think they go really well together.
Driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on.
This next outfit is kinda simple but still gives off the date night vibes with this black fur top. It is quite a bold look that you can pair again with the black heels. I am pairing it with my Louis Vuitton bag to tie the whole classy look together.
My regrets are texts I could.
I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope that I was able to give you guys inspiration on what to wear for your date night or on Valentine's Day even if you're single. And see you again soon. Bye!